is up, guys? Trey Bell here with Bell Outdoors, and I wanted to do a quick intro to yesterday's video. It was chaotic. So I take my dog Luna out on walks at night at this golf course, which the name will reveal hidden because I'm not supposed to be there. Well, I saw a creek was running through the back of it, so I was like, go check it out. So I walk back there, and I just see a behemoth bass just laid up in the shallow creek. I think it's stuck there because we haven't been getting a lot of rain. Well, I go out there to check it out, and I just couldn't believe what I saw. So I sprint back to my apartment, grab my rod. I didn't have any time. The sun was going down, and I just grabbed a pack of crawfish, and I think I had a wacky rig on initially. Well, right when I get down there, I'm out of breath, had just sprinted from my apartment to the golf course. And wouldn't you believe it, I just get snagged with one hook, like my second cast, on all this vegetation. So I had to climb on the side of this creek bed, get my hook out, get unraveled, and then I get up back to the top and we start fishing. But it was just chaotic the entire time, huge mess. I was just rushed, but we found some fish, which is a good thing. So enjoy this video. Oh man, that wacky rig. There's one of them. Oh. They're under that tree. There's one right there. Choked it. He's never been caught before. He's angry. Chill out there, guy. Where is this guy's mama? I know there's a big one in here. I saw it. Where is his mama? That's one of them. I know for a fact there's a big old girl in here. I don't think that's her. Oh, where is it? Oh man, where did this fish go? Why is my line all messed up? Horrible cast. Oh, what the? Okay, something's up. Alright. Tired of this fluorocarbon. What? Something's up with my line. No, seriously, something's up. Oh, what the hell? Oh my gosh. How does that even happen? How in the world did that happen? Oh my god, of course that happens when I have a chance to catch one of my biggest fish. Where is this? Alright, I don't know if I can get it in even if it happens. Well, I don't have time to fix it. Or maybe I'd... Alright. What a fucking mess. Where is that fish? I know I saw a tank down here. And when I say a tank, I'm not kidding. Where is it? Okay, it couldn't have gone that way. It's too shallow. I mean, is it laid up in that tree where the other ones were? Last place I saw it was right over there. What in the fucking world is this? Oh, I know it's in here too. Maybe you can swim it across right here and get it. It's the last place I saw it. Oh man. Smart damn fish. Where could it have been? I know that other fish was not it. There was one that was double that size. Why can I... stupid fishing rod is all messed up. I swear if I hook this fish and lose it, I'm probably going to be more mad at myself. Alright, decent cast. Ooh, hooked on something. Oh, I spit it. It was a little guy. Oh, damn, this creek is actually pretty fire, man. That's not the one I wanted. I gotta fix my drag, too. I know for a fact there's a freaking tank in here and I cannot find it. I caught the wrong fish. Oh, that might be good. Oh, something hit it. What the? Took my crawfish. You meant business. Alright, well, they're laid up under those trees. I found them. Alright, come on. I don't know how to fix that dang line problem. Other than tying on new bait and it's almost dark. That's such a bummer. If I didn't have to mess with the stupid hook in that bush, I would have had that fish in my hands. Where is he? There is a giant bass in here, and I just don't know where he went. Or she. Okay. I mean, I would be able... I saw it clear as day earlier. Where is it? Saw a little action over there. Is that it? Alright, well, I might as well just try and make the most of my time. Just cast under this tree. That's where I pulled that other one. They're spooked. I just gotta get it upriver. Not a bad cast. Try again by that tree. mean, I can go try by the bridge, see if it made way up there, but I have doubts. Oh man. Yeah, the sun is coming down quick. Oh, opening. Let's see, did it make its way down here? I don't see it. Still not seeing it. There it is. Oh my God, I think I found it. I think I found it. How am I gonna get that? I need an amazing cast. Oh, that might be it. Hit it. I have no idea how I'd even get this fish in. I'd have to get there in that grass. I don't even know if that's it. I mean, it's a good fish, but not the behemoth I was looking for. Damn it. All right, come on, come on, come on. I knew if I had my wacky rig, I could get it. What the heck? It swam up under that tree. I don't know if I can even get it to come out of there properly how I want. Oh man, this is a mess. At least I got to catch one. But what a debacle. Oh man. I mean, that bass must have saw me coming. I don't know how, but he did. Good cast. Oh. Here's a bass. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get down there. Okay, here we go. I can get out this way. This is what you call poison ivy. Oh, here we go. Ooh, sketchy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He swam up in this grass, didn't he? There we go, I got out. Decent fish. Decent fish. He's skinny. He's hungry. He's looking for crawdad. Come here, guy. Oh, that's a good fish. Look at that. Look at that guy. I mean, next to my arm. Oh yeah, he's a good fish. That's a good fish. Take a little selfie real quick with the wife so she believes that I caught fish. All right, let's do a little let go for this guy. All right. Oh, wrong way, bud. There you go. Get back in there. Come on, other way. There he goes. There he goes. Good fish. Now I gotta figure out how to get out of here. Oh man, I was not expecting that. Whew, I know there's a monster in here somewhere. I just don't know where. And I kind of just gave up a pretty good position. I mean, let's see if I can go downriver this way now that I'm here. Oh, it's gonna be a bitch getting out of here. Oh, bad cast. Or not. I'm surprised I didn't get bit by a snake over there. So as you could tell, we couldn't find that big fish. I am gonna go on another mission out there and I'm gonna find that big sucker. I mean, I'm telling you, it's at least 4 or 5 pounds and that's great for this small creek. So, like and subscribe below if you didn't already, and I hope you enjoyed this video. More to come. Thanks.